Do you know mochi ice? It is very popular in the United States, and if you like mochi ice cream, you may like Daifuku Mochi also. Hi everybody, welcome to Japanese Cooking Lovers. I'm Yuri. Today I will show you how to make Daifuku Mochi. Just like mochi ice cream, Daifuku Mochi is very similar, but it's Anko inside instead of ice cream. And this is Japanese traditional sweets, very popular, and you can buy anywhere like convenience store, grocery store, Japanese sweet shop. And my favorite is mame daifuku, which is bean. It's kind of hard beans in it, and fruits daifuku is recently, well, it's about maybe 20 years ago, they start creating fruits daifuku. The fruits usually strawberry inside the core part, then anko outside, then mochi outside. And they have several versions, which is, well, the strawberry is the most probably popular, but bananas, kiwi fruits, and mandarin, orange, so on. You can put it anything if you like. But this is my favorite Japanese sweet, and when I go back to Japan, I always buy this Daifuku Mochi at least twice when I'm visiting there. And this is very, very easy and also simple, and you can control the sweetness too, and I'll show you how to do it. You may be curious about where I get Anko. Well, you can buy Anko from Asian grocery store, or you can make it. I have other YouTube video that's how to make Anko, and I will put here that link that you can find how to make Anko. This recipe is most simple and very basic Daifuku Mochi recipe. And again, if you like fruits Daifuku Mochi, you can try any fruits that you like, put in the Anko and make fruits Daifuku Mochi. I really hope you enjoy my video, and I really hope you will try this recipe. If you like my video, please subscribe so I can make more. This is Japanese Cooking Lovers, and I'm Yuri. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.